Quick, pull.
Few moments later.
I'm not sure.
Yeah, we'll take them and try.
Come with gun. Shit.
What?
Hello, good morning, where do you came from? Perfect stranger, I've been waiting on. Right place at the right time. Nobody can tell me you ain't mine. Yeah. To be honest, I've never been this bold. Your personality, it warms my soul. All they ever do is lie to you, baby. Tell them other niggas bye-bye. Yeah. Come over here, so I know you love my accent.
Welcome back, Island family.
Wagwan.
It's your girl Maria.
Yeah, Island boy, Africa.
And
Little Bobo.
little island boy sleeping away.
Yeah, man.
Anyways, guys, we don't know where we're going.
Yeah, we're going.
Somewhere.
Yeah, to Queensland though, right?
Past Brisbane.
Yeah.
Past Brisbane, so Sunshine Coast. I know that's where we're headed.
Yeah.
We've never been to Sunshine Coast.
Yeah.
So we're going up that way. Yeah, to see what Sunshine Coast is all about.
Yeah, man.
And maybe even further. We'll just wait and see what happens. You know, we've got the car packed, got the fishing rod.
Fishing rod and all that. And
Babe's driving.
yeah, Island threw up partway on the journey. Had to stop and change him and all that. So yeah.
So we're just going with it, guys, and wherever we stay, we shall find something when we get there.
Yeah,
So this is not planned at all.
not
It's
planned at
sort of
all.
just let's go with it.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I've got a couple of days off work and I thought, why not? Let's just go with it.
Yeah.
Just quickly wanted to say happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. It is Australians Father's Day today.
Yeah, man.
So happy Father's Day to Babe.
Thank you, babe.
And yeah, hopefully he enjoys his trip. I know he's driving.
Yeah.
Well, because
It doesn't matter.
he wants to drive.
Yeah, it doesn't matter.
So yeah, he's driving and I'll be showing you a bit of the scenery. Right now we're sort of parked up in a kind of country, real country area.
We just went over a sketchy bridge a while ago.
Yeah, real sketchy
A board
bridge.
bridge which was,
Yeah, it looked like it was gonna fall off.
Yeah,
eh?
exactly.
Big time. So I'll quickly show you guys what we're dealing with here.
Yeah, it's been windy all morning and cloudy.
Yeah, so we've got mountains and to my
Pure farmland, like
farmland life,
so
guys.
much farmland in my life before.
Someone must live there.
These people own
Acres.
hundreds of, what do you call it? Hundreds or thousands of acres.
Acres and acres and acres.
Yeah.
Definitely. So guys, enjoy the ride with us, you know. We've missed you all.
For real.
It's been a while. We've missed all of yous.
Yeah, well, we're there again.
We're there.
We're there. So
Let's do this.
let's see where the journey takes us.
Mhm.
Right?
Well, let's
well,
go. We never know.
Yeah.
Here we go. Let's go now. Alright, I'm just pop my belts on. So it's nice that we can just sort of come out and go for a drive. Babe can drive and I can tape and whatnot, vice versa. And Island's sleeping, so which is good too. It's nice and quiet. So we kind of woke up a little bit later this morning, but we just said, oh, let's just go, get out for a bit. Wherever we end up, we end up. You know, and you all can come and join us for the journey. Bit of potholes everywhere, so we gotta be careful with that. That view. It's crazy. Just looking at the trains, like the train tracks. On that side, all the train tracks. Passing a little bridge here at the moment. Wow, very dirty water, looks like. Wow, what kind of trees are these, babe?
It's the same, the isle nut tree. We call them
Oh
isle nut.
yeah, look how many of them on the
You
tree.
can make castor oil with
Oh wow.
so many of them. And this
Yeah.
bridge.
The bridge is old.
Yeah.
Look, guys.
This is real country, guys, literally.
This is behind, right back behind Casino.
Yeah.
Rainforest Gateway. Wow. So they have like a, it's like a camping thing or something. This is like a camping thing.
Yeah.
Oh wow. They've got little fruits and stuff. Oh, okay. It's like a little camping yard.
Van park.
Yeah, like a caravan. Oh. Wow. For those people that want to stay.
Car sale.
Oh, well, there you go.
Rainforest Gateway.
Rainforest Gateway. That big mountain there.
Talk about potholes. In the countryside, you see them more. Remind me of Jamaica in the country parts.
Look at this bridge. Just behind us we had cows sitting on the side of the road. And I said to Babe, let's pat them. And he's like, no, you don't know, cows are very unpredictable. Why do I get a feeling that you better hurry up? This bridge is really dangerous.
Show them though, like,
Oh my god.
board bridge.
So bad. What the heck? Jeez, they're all moving. Alright, I'm not coming back through there.
Across.
That was crazy scary.
Man, very scary.
We're getting closer to that mountain now, guys. Brisbane. Wow, guys, this is beautiful. And on the side there, for those people that like to eat duck eggs, they're selling eggs.
$6
a dozen.
Yeah.
Wow. No, thank you. Are they to eat duck eggs
have no
or
idea.
duck babies?
I have no idea. Probably for eating, I'm guessing. Or whatever.
Well, wow. The view's amazing.
Yeah.
And we're going down steep hills now. It's like we're climbing and climbing and then we're kind of going down.
Yeah. But the whole time I've been driving, it's literally no cars have been seen on these roads. It's like really that lonely out here, like, or yeah, away from most people.
And Babe says they must be having tea at this time. I'm like, tea?
You want to tell them
What you mean what tea means?
What tea means?
Dinner.
Yeah.
Dinner.
That's what they call tea
tea.
in Australia.
Yeah, have some tea. I think English people say tea too.
Yeah. So
What do American people say?
I have no idea, because when I first heard you said that, I was like, what tea?
What do the American people say to all the people that are live in America? Let us know. Yeah, tea, dinner, like Arlen says, yum yum. Wow, look guys, we've got like a whole bear of oranges, mandarins, so I just want to pick one because no one's eating them. Gosh, so I don't know. Oh, maybe I'll get Babe to grab them. It's a bit more. Can you come and grab them? Just grab those ones down there. Babe knows what he's doing.
Old snakes are not in there.
Nah,
It's very sketchy.
just get like 2 or 3.
Lots of spikes, man.
Quick, pull. Are they ripe? What are they?
I think they almost smell like sour orange, what we call sour orange in Jamaica, but I'm not sure.
Alright, we'll take them
Shit,
and
the one
try.
now come with gun. Shit.
What? He's trying to prank me. Like, what the heck?
Oh,
Crazy.
God. You believe?
So Babe's gonna try it, guys.
They smell like sour orange, guys. Literally.
They smell wow.
Yeah,
They look like sour orange too.
but the only shape a bit different.
Are they sour?
These are so orange. They look a bit different from the ones in Jamaica in a sense, but yeah, they're sour as hell. They smell like sour orange. That's what I was saying. They're sour as. Try, wanna taste it? Just taste it.
Oh.
Yeah, they very so.
Oh. No, no, no.
Yeah, try it out.
Oh. No, no, no. Give it to Bobo. Bobo, maybe one.
Good for making juice.
Very sour, guys. Very.
Try Bobo. He's smelling it. He's smelling it.
Is he? Sorry.
Look at him smelling. Taste it?
Taste.
Taste, yeah.
Taste.
Ma'am. Don't
Try it,
smell
Bobo.
it. Try it.
Try it.
I swear he's so smart.
Try it, Bobo.
Yum yum.
Yum, yum.
Yeah, taste.
Quickly.
Go on. Eat, eat, eat. Nice. Wait for it, wait for it. Wait for it.
Why?
Look at his face.
No.
Alright.
No nice?
Not good, right?
No good? No nice, Bobo? Bobo, nice or not? No? No. Okay. Alright, let's continue.
Yeah.
Wow. Seems sunny on this side. Wow, look at the landscape. Like, oh wow. That is absolutely amazing.
Literally like driving down a mountain.
It's crazy. Look at this, guys. It's so pretty. It's green and lush.
Like a whole landscape, yo.
Absolutely. Wow. Looks like we're in a foreign country. Like now it does not look like we're in Australia. It looks like we're in Sweden or something. Like, if we have any Sweden followers, you know, let us know. Hey guys, so as you can see, it's getting a little bit darker now.
Yeah.
I'm driving.
Yeah, man.
Just on the highway. We've been driving for a little bit over 4 hours now, would you say?
Yeah.
Something like that, because we left home at midday, so it's now
After
5 o'clock.
Yeah, almost
5. So yeah, that's
Yeah,
like
man.
a good 5 hours now.
Yeah.
So we've decided that we're not going to travel further to... We were originally going to go to Rainbow Beach, or close to Rainbow Beach in Queensland, but we're not going to go that far. We're going to stay in the Sunshine Coast,
Yeah, man.
and yeah, we're going to see what it has to offer. We found a good, a good place to stay, so we're going to stay there and just make the most of it, go fishing and all of that kind of good stuff.
Yeah.
So looking forward to it. It's nice to get away from bloody casino.
True.
Casino's a good little country town. It's nice because it's so laid back and chilled, but sometimes it's nice to get away from that area and, go and do other things. So, yeah.
Yeah, man. So that's what's up. You guys not gonna see much from today because it's gonna get dark soon. But, tomorrow will be the official day out here, you see it. So, yeah, man.
And we'll get to show you guys what Sunshine Coast has to offer, and maybe if we feel like for another 2 hours drive, because it is like the other place we were planning to go is like about 2 hours, 3 hours drive again.
Yeah.
So it's like another couple of hours from the Sunshine Coast.
Yeah, man.
So therefore, it's a long trip. Okay, so guys, originally we were going to hire a motorhome.
Yeah.
And so therefore we were going to actually drive up to Cairns.
Yeah.
But yeah, Cairns is a good 2,000 kilometers away roughly, you know, I'd say by the board book 1,200 kilometers away.
Yeah.
And we were going to get a motorhome, and yeah, we just decided that we will just drive as far as we can ourselves, and we'll go from there. And next time we can probably fly up to Cairns, or still go in the motorhome home or whatever, but we'll see.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Stay tuned.
Let's go. We are here.
Queensland Beach.
Yes. That's the beach out there.
Keep going.
We here, guys.
Guys, welcome.
We made it. This is where we'll be staying. That looks nice.
I'm like half asleep, guys. I'm tired. Oh, wow.
It's the bedroom. Oh wow. Nice balcony area.
Hey. Hi. Who needs to go to the bathroom? Comfy.
You can go first, yeah. Nice.
We made it. I'm like, my hair, the wind blew my hair out of the way. It was just, anyway. Oh, it's a big bathroom too, guys. Give you a little tour. Got a dry and washing and all the good thing. Shampoo. Lovely. And a little lounge room for us to relax. Kitchen. Island, what are you doing? Hey, what are you up to? Come on. Turn it off. And get the Wi-Fi code now.
Oh, it's over there.
Yeah.
Alright, guys. Oh, that's a pool. Beautiful.
Pretty nice.
Yeah, so we out here now, guys. We just saw him drop off our clothes and everything, and we are gonna look some food for eat, you know. Yeah, man. So yeah, look forward. Yeah, I look forward to tomorrow what it's gonna be like. Yeah, we kind of reach here when it's dark. Yeah. Look at Bobo.
No?
No, nobody follow him, man. Look on him. He want to go down the stairs and by himself. Alright, Mr. Independent. We're here in, what's it called again, babe? IGA? IGA. Grabbing a few stuff from little Bobo here. Giving trouble as usual. You want Papa? He calls Apple Papa. Yeah. So that's what we're doing.
But on this one, Western style, guys.
Yeah. We also have to get nappy for Island.
Island boy.
We have a wide range.
We don't really have much of a wide range, baby.
Yeah, not the ones that we
Not the ones we usually
yeah,
get.
but wide range of different ones though.
Size 3, size 6, what about size 5? Oh, but the pant, they're the pant. Oh. These will do.
Yeah.
Yep. These ones will what?
And that's for $11.
Yeah, $11.50.
Yeah, $11.50.
Yeah, nappy. You need to start going to the toilet though. I think that would be the best thing to do, Island.
Island, look.
Oh, we also have a surprise for these for our viewers. Today marks the day of
Me coming out of quarantine.
quarantine. So it would have been a year ago today that babe finally got out of quarantine.
Yeah.
So
It was surprising when we
so
saw
many
it.
surprises are coming, guys. Honestly, I want to tell you all of them, but we won't.
Yeah.
Because of we'll let babe
Yeah.
disclose all that.
Definitely. So much more to come, guys. So stay tuned. So we're grabbing pizza now, guys. Trying to make up our mind right now.
We'll get
Yeah. It's hard to make up our mind. So we're here just waiting on our pizza, guys. Very cold tonight.
windy, my hair's all messy and everything.
Yeah. Thought the weather would have been a bit different, but it's windy and yeah, let's hope tomorrow will be good though. Yeah.
This babe's gonna do surfing, guys.
I'm not good at surfing, but I love to learn.
Thumbs up thumbs up the live. And shake it.
Yeah. Thumbs up the video.
Shake
Island,
it
tell
like
them.
Stand still. Stop.
Full of energy, you know. Island, freeze. 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 Non-stop. That's where he goes. He's like, alright, then I'm gonna burn some energy until pizza is ready.
Yep. Hopefully he'll go to sleep early. So mommy and daddy can watch movie
You know what I
and
mean?
relax.
And dogo dogo.
We sound like we don't get any.
Righty, guys. Got our pizza
And our wine.
and wine for the night.
Actually, Santa Julia for all my Argentinian drinkers.
Yeah.
Red wine drinkers.
Yeah, man, so we are going to head home, you know,
Yeah.
and catch you there. Alright. So this is our pizza, guys. Looks a bit burnt, but good same way. No, it's